Hi, I'm Patricia. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Poland and I would love to take part in Camp America this year. Why you should pick me for your camp? Just see. I enjoy time with children. I really like trying new things, starting from new sports, Rubik Cube, and artistic shows. My main hobby is dancing. I was dancing 11 years ballroom dancing, and I was on around 50 tournaments. From this year, I'm a Latino dance instructor. My second passion is the recording and montaging movies. I invite you to watch some of them on my YouTube channel. The name will be visible here. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm doing them from the special occasions, from events, and from my travelings. Also, I was on the abroad project in Montenegro, and my role was to make a movie about this beautiful country. I had also adventure in theater. The biggest achievement was last year, staying on the real stage and being one of the main characters. For addition, I'm a very good swimmer. I really enjoy scuba diving and I love kayaking. See you soon!